front of me is Samsung Galaxy A27 and today I would like to show you how you can operate the voice recorder. First of all, you need to open the Recorder app that's already on your Samsung and click on Allow in all pop-ups. Then, before doing anything, make sure to tap on those three lines on the left and check out those options. All recordings, other recordings, recycle bin, or Uncategorize. You can also manage categories. When you've finished checking out all of them for the future, tap on this gear at the top right corner and operate all of those options. When you're finished with those, go back and start recording thanks to the red button. Choose Allow. To add a bookmark, click on the left one. To discard your recording fully, use this button at the top left corner. To pause it or unpause it, use middle one. You can even listen to it by swiping it. And to end it and save it, click on this one here. Now, to listen to your recording, you need to click on play button on the left. To record over it, use record button. You will see track turning red. Anyway, to end it, tap on this square button. Name your recording, choose save, and wait. Now to play it, click on it, and to manage it, use all of those options at the bottom. Bookmarks, repeat, skip silences, and speed. All those at the top right corner. Once you finish, you can go back. If you wish to manage your recording on the list, hold it and check out all of those options, like delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!